Mastering Japanese cuisine begins with the knife. From the delicate control of katsuramuki with a Yusuba knife, every movement depends on precision. To the clean, graceful stroke of slicing sashimi with a yanagiba knife, every movement depends on precision. A sharp, well-maintained knife helps preserve texture, shape, and the natural beauty of each ingredient. But precision is only possible when the blade is properly cared for. That is why knife care is one of the essential foundations of Japanese cooking. In this lesson, you will learn how to set the blade on the whetstone at a 45-degree angle and sharpen it with controlled, steady movements. Build authentic Japanese culinary skills through structured online lessons with English narration. Learn step by step. Start your journey into Japanese cuisine today.